Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix your Xbox app games that is not downloading and installing. First, go to search bar and type on run. Now click on this one and type on the wsreset.exe and then click on OK or press enter. Now, that should go ahead and bring up the Microsoft Store, and then you can close out this window. Now check if that fixes your issue, but if you don't, go overhead to search settings and go to settings. After that, go to the apps. Now, click on the installed apps and search for the Xbox. Now, click on the three dots and click on Advanced option. Now after that, scroll all the way down and find the Reset section and click on the Repair option. After that, click also the Reset. And then once again, you can try opening up the Xbox application and you can check to see if that's now downloading your games. If it's still not working, on the search bar, type on the control panel and click on that. After that, go to the category and make sure to check the large icons and go overhead to Network and Sharing Center. After that, click on your Wi-Fi and click on the Properties. Now, find the Internet Protocol version 6 and make sure to uncheck this one. After that, click on OK. Now, if it still doesn't work, go over ahead to the command prompt and run it as administrator. Now, type this command and you'll need a few minutes to wait while this goes ahead and scans all of your core Windows system files, and you can go ahead and restart your computer, and that's how to fix your Xbox app games that is not downloading and installing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.